Hello guys, magandang araw sa inyo lahat. And first of all, I would like to personally thank you sa pag-watch ng mga previous videos ko. Okay? And I do hope na marami kang natutunan sa mga previous videos ko, and I would like to thank you sa mga comments. Alright? And today, I'm going to share with you one of the valuable lesson na natutunan ko sa isa sa mga virtual mentors ko na si Jim Rohn. Okay, so this topic guys is about seasons or panahon. Okay, so alam nyo ba kung ano yung mga season na meron tayo sa Pilipinas? Okay, so dito sa Pilipinas may dalawang common season tayo na experience. Okay, so what are those? First is the rainy or wet season, tag-ulan, and the second one is yung dry or hot season, okay, or summer season or tag-init. Alright? So, sa business din natin guys, may dalawang season tayo na kino-consider. So, that is the planting season and the second one is the harvest season. Okay, so as an entrepreneur, um, majority of the times or most of the times may mga pangyayari na nangyayari na hindi natin ginusto or hindi natin ini-expect. So, na-experience nyo na din ba yun? Kasi ako, I experienced that a lot of times. Okay? So, siguro, andito ka sa season ngayon na wala ka pang resulta sa negosyo mo na ginagawa. If 1 month ka na sa business mo pero wala ka pa ng resulta, if almost a year ka na sa business mo pero bakit wala ka pang malaking resulta, siguro natanong mo na din yun sa sarili mo. Kasi yan din yung question ko before, bago ako nagka-result or bago ako nagkaroon ng breakthrough sa negosyo ko na ginagawa ngayon. Okay? So, guys, gaya ng mga farmers, okay? So, yung mga farmers, example ng mga nagtatanim ng mangga, hindi basta-basta magtanim ng puno ng mangga para makakuha ka ng magandang bunga or matamis na bunga, guys. So you have to consider some factors in order for you to grow ang isang plant na makapag-produce ng mangga ay ng prutas or ng bunga na sulit talaga. Okay? Kasi guys, sa pagtatanim ng mangga, it will usually take around 6 years para makapag-produce ka ng mangga na may satisfactory na bunga. Alright? And may mga processes paano ka makapag-produce ng mangga. So, ginagawa ng mga farmers is first, they have to make sure na nilalagay nila ang butil or ang buto in a good soil and cultivated soil. Okay, the second one is that they make sure na nadidiligan ito regularly, okay, and they make sure na consistently nilang dinidiligan ito or kino-cultivate. Alright, so the third one is once na medyo lumaki-laki na yung puno na yun, regularly din sila nag-i-spray ng pesticide just to get rid of mga insekto na sumisira sa puno. And the fourth one is that kailangan nilang i-make sure na may sapat na araw ang puno na yon, okay, para mas mabilis ang pagtubo niya. And the fifth one is they have to consistently do the process 1 to 4, okay, in order for them um, to grow the tree na may satisfactory na bunga. So, as an entrepreneur, kung i-relate natin, kung tutuusin, it's almost the same process. Okay? Why? Kasi first of all, you have to make sure na planted ka sa isang company na alam mong makakatulong talaga sa'yo, na that will really cultivate you not just to earn money but to become a better person. Okay? And the second thing is that make sure na nadidiligan ka, meaning make sure na you will learn a lot of things, or if you have trainings, okay, that's a good channel Alright? Regularly do that guys, na mag-learn ka na pwede mong may apply sa negosyo mo para magka-resulta ka. Alright? So the third thing is that you have to get rid of negative vibes, or kailangan mo umiwas sa mga tao na nagbibigay ng mga negative na mga parang negative thinkers, mga ganon, na nagdi-discourage sa iyo na gawin ang business mo. In fact, guys, yung mga naysayers, nagiging naysayers lang sila kasi sila mismo hindi nagkakaresulta. Okay? And don't follow them guys, just continue what you are doing, kasi I do believe na darating ang araw magka-harvest season ka din. Okay? And the fourth thing is you have to make sure na consistently mong ginagawa ang ginagawa mo. Alright? So, just don't give up. If you watch the one of my videos, sinare ko na why massive action, or why taking massive action is not enough para magka-resulta ka sa business mo. So I encourage you to watch it in order for you to get value, or to get lesson from it as well. Okay? So if you are in a season right now na feeling mo down na down ka, just don't give up and continue mo lang kung anong ginagawa mo. And kung anong season meron ka man ngayon, if it is wet season, then continue to plant, okay, and take massive and consistent action, dahil darating ang time ng harvest season na i-reap mo yung pinaghirapan mo. Okay? Kasi kung mag-i-stop ka ngayon, imagine mo na lang, kung darating ang harvest season, may maha-harvest ka pa ba? Diba wala? So, just make sure na consistently mong ginagawa yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo ngayon. Kung nasa network marketing ka man, or nasa online marketing, okay? Make sure na hindi ka mag-give up, and also learn, okay? Learn every day, learn consistently. Alright, so those, again guys, those are the season na kailangan mong tandaan, season of planting and season of harvest. And you have to remember the processes, take it in heart, in order for you to attain or achieve your goal. Okay, so walang nagiging successful guys, walang taon nagiging successful, okay, na hindi gumagawa ng paraan. So lahat ng mga successful na tao, okay, nag-persevere. So they really take massive and consistent action. So palagi silang magkatabi or magkambal sila guys, parate. Okay, so I do hope na may natutunan ka sa video na to. And if you do, I would appreciate if you're going to leave a comment below. And you can click on like if you like this video. And also you can share this topic or this content to your team, your friends, family. Okay, so just don't hesitate to do so. Alright, and you can visit my website www.cypesenable.com, and also you will be able to see other posts or my video or my blogs in there. Okay, so guys, I believe that you will be successful this year 2016, and it is really time for you to harvest. Okay, to harvest kung ano man yung tinanim mo noong 2015. Okay, so I believe na magka-harvest ka ng malaki if you planted malaki din. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Again, my name is Hypes Enable. Have a great day everyone. Bye for now.